Welcome to this video tutorial in which you will learn how to use CartoDruid DeviceSync, a QGIS plugin that allows you to synchronize files between your PC and Android devices through a USB connection. The transfer is completely local, without relying on external cloud services. In addition, synchronization is bidirectional. You can send projects to the mobile device and later retrieve the data collected in the field. Although it is designed to work with CartoDruid, you can also use it to copy any file or folder between the computer and the Android device. The plugin automatically synchronizes data between CartoDruid and the GIS project on the PC. This includes SQLite vector databases, which are automatically added to QGIS, geo-referenced images captured in the field, and any other resource associated with the project, such as configuration or symbology files. In this way, all the elements required for fieldwork remain organized and synchronized between the computer and the Android device. Before you start using this plugin, you must follow the steps below to install it in QGIS and prepare your device for synchronization. First, install the plugin in QGIS. This step prepares the desktop environment and installs CartoDruid DeviceSync directly from QGIS. Next, prepare the device. To do this, you must enable developer mode on your phone, enable USB debugging on Android, and connect the device to the PC using a USB cable. Finally, configure project synchronization by selecting which CartoDruid project data you want to synchronize with the QGIS project. We will begin with the installation of the plugin. Open the QGIS Plugin Manager. In the Not Installed Plugins section, use the search tool to look for CartoDruid DeviceSync. Once found, click Install Plugin. When the installation is complete, a message appears indicating that the plugin has been installed successfully. We are now going to prepare the Android device by enabling developer options. To do this, go to Settings, open About Phone, and locate the build number. Tap this option several times until a message appears indicating that developer mode has been enabled. To enable USB debugging, go to Settings, open System, and then Developer Options. Within this menu, locate the USB debugging option and enable it. This function allows communication between the device and the computer's development environment. Next, connect the Android device to the PC using a USB data cable, not just a charging cable. Once connected, the system will automatically detect it and allow the communication required for data transfer and synchronization. For the initial configuration in QGIS, select the Plugin Configuration button. There are two transfer methods, ADB and MTP. We will use ADB because it speeds up file transfer and makes data refreshing on the mobile device easier. If ADB does not work correctly at any time, you can return to this screen and select MTP. To use ADB, it must first be installed. To do this, click Download and install ADB, and the process will be carried out automatically. When the installation path appears completed, it means that the configuration has been carried out successfully. To create a synchronization configuration for a CartoDruid project that you have on the device, the first thing you need to do is connect the device to the computer via USB. Once connected, click the selection box and choose your device. Next, you can start the CartoDruid project configuration wizard by clicking the yellow folder. On the first screen, you must select the CartoDruid project that you want to synchronize. In the next step, you can choose which files you want to synchronize: configuration files, images, and data files. After this, the first download of information will be performed and the initial project configuration will be created. You can then select the layers that you want to add automatically to the QGIS project's table of contents. Finally, you can create photo layers from the files found in the CartoDruid project and decide whether you want them to be permanent or not. With this, the project is ready, with the selected layers and photo layers correctly loaded. From this moment on, this QGIS project will be synchronized with the selections we have made from the CartoDruid project on our device. You can use the download from device or upload to device options if something has been updated and you want to synchronize the data again. Let us now see how synchronization works in practice. In this example, we make a modification directly from the mobile device using CartoDruid, such as editing existing data, capturing photographs, or creating new geometries during fieldwork. After saving the changes on the mobile device, click Download from Device to synchronize the information with QGIS. Once the process is completed, we can see how the modifications made in the field are reflected in the project, ensuring that both working environments are always up to date. Let us now see how changes made in QGIS can be sent to the mobile device so that they are immediately available in the field. In this case, we create a new parcel directly in QGIS and add it to the working layer. Once the changes have been saved, click the Upload to Device button to synchronize the information with CartoDruid. When the process is completed, the new feature automatically appears on the mobile device and becomes available for viewing or editing in the field. Now, we are going to capture a photograph associated with a parcel. The image will automatically be geo-referenced. Once the photograph has been taken and the changes have been saved, we proceed to synchronize the information with QGIS. Click Download from Device. When the process is finished, we can verify that the photograph has been correctly added to the project. Using the Information tool, we can view the feature's attributes and access the associated image. With this plugin, you can easily synchronize your projects between QGIS and CartoDruid via USB, always maintaining control of your data and streamlining work between the office and the field. Thank you for following this tutorial and see you next time.